Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to report concern or issues in Airbnb. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to Airbnb app and then go to the profile section. So when you scroll down, you will see something called the support section. So you can report a neighborhood concern, or right, so if you book a places and the neighborhood like make a lot of noises, you can report a concern here. Or if you want to just report like a general issue, you want to click on give us feedback. And let's say you have some issue with booking or money or disputing, you can always click on contact us to get in touch with them. But that is how you can report the concern or issue in Airbnbs.